Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. In this video, we'll be sharing the top 10 cryptocurrency investing strategies to help you make informed decisions in your investment journey. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be highly rewarding, but it's essential to approach it with knowledge and a well-thought-out strategy. Let's dive into the top strategies that can enhance your investment journey. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be highly rewarding, but it's essential to approach it with knowledge and a well-thought-out strategy. Let's dive into the top strategies that can enhance your investment journey. Strategy 1. Research. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, thorough research is crucial. Understand the project's fundamentals, technology, team, market demand, and potential risks. Make informed decisions based on reliable sources of information. Strategy 2. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key to mitigating risks. Spread your investments across multiple cryptocurrencies, industries, and asset classes. This strategy can help you reduce the impact of market volatility on your portfolio. Strategy 3. Dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging involves investing a fixed amount at regular intervals, regardless of the cryptocurrency's price. This strategy helps smooth out the effects of short-term price fluctuations and can potentially lead to better long-term returns. Strategy 4. Set clear investment goals. Define your investment goals, whether they are short-term or long-term. Set realistic expectations and align your investment strategy accordingly. Having clear goals can guide your decision-making process. Strategy 5. Understand risk management. Risk management is essential in any investment strategy. Determine your risk tolerance and use stop-loss orders or other risk mitigation techniques to protect your investments from significant downturns. Strategy 6. Stay informed and updated. The cryptocurrency market is fast-paced and ever-evolving. Stay up to date with market news, technological advancements, regulatory changes, and industry trends. This information can help you make informed investment decisions. Strategy 7. Consider fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis involves evaluating the underlying value and potential of a cryptocurrency. Assess factors such as the project's utility, team expertise, partnerships, and community engagement to identify promising investment opportunities. Strategy 8. Technical analysis for trading. If you're into short-term trading, technical analysis can be helpful. Study price charts, indicators, and patterns to identify entry and exit points. Remember, technical analysis should supplement, not replace, fundamental analysis. Strategy 9. Have a long-term perspective. Cryptocurrencies are known for their volatility. Instead of getting swayed by short-term price movements, adopt a long-term perspective. Focus on the potential of the technology and its real-world applications. Strategy 10. Secure your investments. Protecting your investments is crucial. Use secure wallets, enable two-factor authentication, and follow best practices for cybersecurity. Safeguard your private keys and avoid sharing sensitive information. These 10 strategies provide a solid foundation for cryptocurrency investing. However, always remember that investing in cryptocurrencies carries inherent risks. Only invest what you can afford to lose and seek professional advice if needed. And that concludes our discussion on the top 10 cryptocurrency investing strategies. We hope these strategies provide you with valuable insights and help you navigate the dynamic world of cryptocurrency investments. Remember to conduct thorough research, diversify your portfolio, and stay informed about market trends. Implementing these strategies can enhance your chances of success in this exciting and ever-evolving market. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned to our channel for more valuable content. Happy investing! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates. We appreciate your support. Until next time, happy investing!